Hello students, today I will teach you chapter 2 in supplementary reader, the judgment seat of Vikramaditya. All of you know about Vikramaditya, and we have already talked about this chapter, so I will continue. But now all of a sudden a strange thing made itself felt. Now, sudden a strange thing happened. The boy who appeared so common before he sat down on the mount, the boy who sat down on the mount was so common, but looked so different now. But now he was so different. He had become grave and serious. He had become grave and serious. And his tone and manner were so strange and impressive. And his tone and manner was impressive because once that the rest of the boys were a little frightened. And when the rest boys saw this, they little frightened. वे भयभीत हो गए उसको देखकर. Still they thought it was fun, but they thought that it was fun, and once again they put up a fresh case before him, and they put up a new case before the cowherd boy, and once more he gave his judgment, and this went on for hours and hours together, and it was going on hours and hours. He is sitting on the judge's seat, listening to complaints and pronouncing sentences with the same gravity till it was time to return. When cowherd boy sat on the mount, then he gave perfect decision like Vikramaditya, and it was continuously he was continuously gave decisions till he returned home. And then he jumped down from his place and was just like any other cowherd. When he down to his place, to the mount, then he was like other boys. From then onwards, so famous did this cowherd become that all the complicated disputes were put before him. And always the same thing happened. The spirit of knowledge and justice would come to him, and he would show them the truth. From then onward, and then he was so famous, and the cowherd become that all the complicated disputes were put before him, and he solved them. And always the same thing happened, and it was always the same thing happened. The spirit of knowledge and justice. The spirit of knowledge and justice would come to him, and he gave perfect justice. But when he came down from his seat, he would be no different from the other boys. When he came down from his seat, then he was like other boys. Gradually, this news spread through the countryside, and gradually this news was spread through the countryside. शहर की तरफ ये न्यूज फैल गई. Grown up men and women from all the village would bring their disputes in the court of the cowherd boy. Far away. Grown up men and women from all the village, and grown up men and women from all the village came to the cowherd boy, and they taken their side to in front of the boy, and he solved their disputes, all the disputes, and they satisfied with the manner of the cowherd boy, and so went away satisfied, and they went away with full satisfaction. Now the king, who lived far away from Ujjain, heard this story. And now the king, who was lived far away from Ujjain, he heard this story. Well, he said the boy must have definitely sat on the judgment seat of Vikramaditya, and he thought that the boy must have sat on the judgment seat of Vikramaditya. Then he gave correct decision. The king's guess was correct, as the rooms about the meadows were once Vikramaditya palace, and the king's guess was correct, as the rooms about the meadows and the meadow was once the palace of Vikramaditya. If just sitting on the mount brings wisdom and justice to the shepherd boy, the king thought that if the wisdom and knowledge inside the cowherd boy only sitting on the judgment seat of Vikramaditya, then he decided, let us dig deep and find the judgment seat. Let us dig deep, आओ खोदें और judgment seat को निकालें. I too shall sit on it and hear all the cases. I too shall sit on it. मैं भी उस पर बैठूंगा और केस को सुनूंगा. Then the spirit of Vikramaditya will descend upon me as well, and I shall always be just. Then the spirit of Vikramaditya descend upon me, and I am also the king of justice and knowledge. So with spades and shovels, the grassy knoll where the boys played was overturned. Then spades and shovels, the grassy knoll means घास से भरा हुआ मैदान जो था उसको खोदा जाने लगा. And the boy who had been the self-made judge was sorrowful. He left that something very dear to him was being taken away. The boy was very sad, who was sitting on the Vikramaditya's judgment seat. Then the boy was very sad because his lovely thing was taken away him. Was being taken away him. At last the laborers came on to something. They uncovered it and found a slab of black marble. At last the laborers came on the something. Laborers find something, and they found a slab of black marble supported on the hands and wings of 25 stone angles. It was supported by the hands of 25 stone angles. Surely it was the judgment seat of Vikramaditya. With great rejoicing it was brought to the city. The king, with great rejoicing it was brought to the city and placed in the hall of justice. And the king placed it on the hall of justice. The king ordered his people to observe 3 days prayer, fasting, and announced that on the 4th day he would ascend the throne publicly. The king announced to his people that they should be prayed and fast for 3 days. After that he ascend the seat. At last the great morning came, and crowds assembled to see the king take his seat. At last the great morning came. और अंत में वो सुबह आई जब लोगों की भीड़ इकट्ठा हुई और किंग टेक हिज सीट, राजा को अपनी सीट पर बैठना था. वॉकिंग थ्रू द लॉन्ग हॉल केम द जजेस एंड प्रियस्ट ऑफ द किंगडम. द किंग वॉकिंग through the long hall, and with him the priest and the judges. The priest and the judges with him followed. Then as they reached the seat of judgment, they parted into 2 rows. When they came near the seat, then they parted into 2 rows. The king walked up in the middle, bowed his head in reverence, and the angels began to speak, stop, reverence, and went straight to marble slab. The king bowed his head and went to the marble slab, towards the marble slab. When the king was about to sit on the throne, one of the angel began to speak. When the king was about to sit on the throne, then the one angel was speak. Stop, it said. Do you think that you are worthy to sit on the judgment seat of Vikramaditya? Do you worthy to sit this seat? Have you never desired to rule over kingdoms that were not your own? क्या तुमने कभी ये इच्छा नहीं की है कि जो साम्राज्य तुम्हारे नहीं है उस पे राज्य न करें? For a while the king could not think of an answer. He knew his life was unjust. The king thought that his life was unjust and he was not worthy to sit on the seat of Vikramaditya. For a while the king could not think of an answer. He knew his life was unjust. After a long silence, he spoke. No, he said, I am not. After a long silence, he said that I am not worthy. Go then and fast and pray for 3 days. And go then and fast and pray for 3 days, said the angel. Angel ने कहा कि जाओ और फिर से 3 दिन का उपवास करो, so that you may purify yourself and be worthy to sit on the throne. With these words, it spreads its wings and flew. Then go and fast for 3 days, and from this words, it spread its wings and flew away. All of you prepare the summary of this chapter.